Good morning, everyone. I'm forecaster Tyler Allender. 7:15 is the time now, and it's nice and dry on the radar picture across the region, and that's going to be the case for the rest of the morning hours. Temperatures right now are in the upper range of the 70s. We do have plenty of humidity out there and an easterly wind, very light at about 3 miles per hour. Now, partly to mostly clear skies can be expected for this morning. The clouds overnight are starting to fade away, but what's not fading away is the remnants of Dorian, still spinning off to our east. This officially died over a week ago and has occasionally been pulsing up and down in thunderstorm activity, but it's finally just off the east coast of Florida, should go parallel to the east coast of Florida and keep most of the rain with it. We'll see more of a summery weather pattern around here for the next couple of days. 40 to 50% chance of rain today, though still plenty of moisture that's otherwise in place because of all the moisture being shoved down to the south from the stationary front, leaving the less humid, cooler air to the north of us, as you would expect for this time of year. Here's how you can plan the rest of your day. 10 a.m. should be mostly dry out there. Temperatures in the mid-range of the 80s. This afternoon, we'll see a few storms, mainly developing over inland areas, and some of those could work back toward the coast tonight. So we'll watch for that, but overall, about a 30 to 40% chance of rain for most of the day. Inland areas, you have about a 50% chance of rain. High temperatures today will be in the low range of the 90s, 90 in Englewood, 92 in Northport, 92 in Punta Gorda, so no escaping the heat for us here along the Sun Coast. Meanwhile, switching gears and talking about the tropics, we do have what's left of Dorian out here. Otherwise, nothing going on, just a couple of flare-ups of convection. Not expected to last because we have plenty of upper level wind shear and dry air in place across the region. Here is Dorian, again kind of pulsing up again today, but it's going to cruise right up the east coast and should stay away. The bulk of the moisture will also stay offshore and maybe hug the eastern Florida coastline. Again, we'll just get some of those sea breeze storms later today. So how does this season compare to previous seasons? Well, Dorian formed on July 24th. That's about a month ahead of average. So we are still well above normal for the hurricane season so far. Already on our fourth named storm. Already had our fourth named storm. Beach forecast today, 91 degrees and hot. And if you're taking the boat out today, just watch out for a few storms later today. Otherwise, bay and inland waters are nice and smooth. High tide Sarasota at 9:36, 12:20 at the Charlotte Harbor. 7-day forecast features rain chances dwindling down into early next week. It gets hotter though, and then we see a return of some moisture again appears toward the middle part of next week.